a long time no speak. So it's been quite a while since my last video. If you're new here, I am Niki Jackson of Niki Jackson Art and Niki Illustrates, and basically I do a hybrid of original paintings and illustration of cute pink pastel vintagey nature inspired things. And yeah, I have really big news. So the reason that I have been so quiet for the last few months is because I am saying goodbye to this studio. I kind of talked a bit about it and hinted about it in previous videos, but we have been renovating our garage so that I can have a beautiful new studio that's bigger and basically a lot more suitable for me, and I'll be able to have peace and quiet and be able to get on with uni work and my shop. So it's very exciting. I have desperately needed my own space where I can concentrate for so long, and I've been planning this renovation for years, and finally we had the money to do it and the time and everything. And yeah, so we spent most of this year planning and actually doing the work in the studio, and it's finally virtually ready for me to fully move in. So as you can see, everything's a mess behind me. It's a lot worse, believe me. I'll give you a quick tour around in a little while, but basically I am in the middle of moving, and there's just a few little bits to do in the new studio to finish it off. And yeah, I'm super excited to start getting everything in there. So I've just been planning out where to put furniture and trying to come up with storage ideas and things like that. And yeah, so it's just the last little bits to do in there. I've got a few paint touch-ups to do where there's a few marks and dings and things from the work, and so I'm going to do that today and get that all finished off, and then I can finally fully move in. I just cannot wait. We had the rest of the electrics finished off yesterday, so I finally have working plug sockets and everything so that I can plug things in and turn lights on and everything, so that's cool. And yeah, I just cannot wait to get everything in there. I'm going to have some things to do in January that we couldn't get to this month, but most of it will be done and I can actually be using it as a proper fully functioning studio, so I cannot wait. And I cannot wait to share more videos with you from there. I'm going to be more active on YouTube. I'm not sure whether it's going to be like a once a month video or 2 times a month. We'll have to see how it goes. But I think it'll be a lot easier for me to film in there as well. It's been quite difficult to get a really good setup in this room because it's so small, and I've got a lot of things in here, and it's been hard to get the right lighting and the right angles so that you can see what I'm doing properly. I'm falling over stuff on the floor, and it's not ideal really, which is why I haven't been vlogging very much lately, because it's just not fun. But this new studio, I've set it up intentionally so that I can film what I'm doing and share it with you guys, bring you along on the journey, and I'm super excited to do that. And yeah, I can't wait to show you guys. So my Patreons have been seeing behind the scenes of the kind of progression of all the process of it. We literally turned half the garage from a dingy, spider-filled, horrible grey, dark, nasty space into a really beautiful studio space. I'm really excited to share it with you guys. I'm going to do like a time lapse of like how it started off right through to how it is now, and I'll also obviously be sharing the finished thing with you guys. But I've just been in there recording for my patrons. I've done a video podcast for them, showing them what it looks like so far, and I think I'm going to start doing video podcasts as well as the audio ones for my patrons because it was a lot of fun, and now I'll have a really nice space to do it in. And yeah, I think it would be a really cool addition to the Patreon rewards that I already offer. So yeah, so that's cool. So yeah, I'll give you a tour of what the complete mess is here. Not that you probably want to see that, but just for reality purposes, I will show you what it looks like, and the next video that you see from me will be in the brand new studio. So let's have a look at the mess, shall we? Okay, so that was my little desk where I did little paintings and drawings on. It's now full of mess. That was my packaging desk, my old gaming chair. The shelves were there for my cards, but they are no longer. And then as we slowly turn around, that was my wall easel. It is now down there. And I had a shelf with paintings on. Elsie's having dreams downstairs, our doggy. My easel, you can see the art cart down there. And then my wall, I've still got my desk set up. That'll be the last thing to move out, because obviously that's the thing I use the most at the moment, so I don't want to take all that down just yet until we're ready. But I've taken my Serenity Mountains painting down. That's now up in the new studio. And yeah, so not quite sure if the dolls will be coming. They might have to stay in the house. I might not have room for those. But yeah, so I'll give you a very slow tour around again. So yeah, it looks really weird in here now, taking everything out, and I'm sure it'll look really strange once it's completely empty. But yeah, I've still got to move my Alex drawers and my desks and all my products and things have got to be moved. But yeah, and plants as well. So that's it. So tune in next time, guys, for my brand new studio unveiling, and hopefully I'll be all moved in by then and pretty much have everything organised, and I really can't wait to share it with you guys. Thank you so much for sticking around while I had a bit of a break from YouTube this summer. And yeah, I'm very excited to be back and sharing with you guys again, and I cannot wait to do some really good videos. And yeah, from my new studio, it's going to be a lot of fun. I'm going to be creating lots more art, paintings and illustrations, and maybe some chatty videos as well. And yeah, I hope you're great and doing well. And yeah, I will talk to you very soon on the next studio vlog from my brand new studio. So bye bye, old studio, and let's get excited about the new one. Take care, guys. Bye.